Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So really quickly, I just wanted to put out a very short kind of announcement video, and this is something that I am so excited about. So due to, the coronavirus, COVID-19, I am unable to have meetups. I can't be in large groups of people, but I lately have been really wanting to give back to you guys and kind of give you guys something a little bit personal, something that I've never done before, and something that is safe for us to interact and for you guys to get something super special without, gathering in a large group. I would eventually like to have a meetup, but with everything going on right now, that can't happen. But I really wanted to make this announcement video. I don't know how long this video is going to be up. I don't know if I'm going to keep it up on my channel or if I'm just going to have it up on my channel for a very limited time. But I wanted to announce and give you guys the opportunity to get your very own signed picture of moi. So this is something that I'm very excited about, and it is actually something that I am working on with the company Sleek Ink. If you guys do not know what Sleek Ink is, they are a company that I have been working with for about the past year now. I have been an avid user and lover of their Sleek Ink Vivid Tattoo Oil. I have talked about this many times on my social medias. I have talked about this many times on my YouTube channel. But basically, this is a tattoo oil where you can use on your heel tattoos to prevent fading, to keep them looking good for as long as possible. It moisturizes, it keeps the colors nice and vibrant, it keeps the ink nice and put together, and just makes your tattoos looking really nice. So on their site, they offer the 2-ounce bottle and they also offer the 4-ounce bottle. As you can see, I have both right here. This is actually my second bottle of the 4-ounce bottle, and I'm also working on the 2-ounce right now. So I use this stuff quite a bit. It is made in the USA, it is vegan, cruelty-free, parabens, sulfates, nothing like that. Totally safe to use, and it really does work, and it smells really nice, and it just makes your tattoos look really great. And I have nothing bad to say about this company. I have worked with many companies in the past. I have done my fair share of business with all sorts of different companies, and I can't tell you, I have been blown off probably a total of 5 times by different companies, whether that be merch related or graphic design related. Like, people have scammed me so incredibly much, and I can honestly say, from the very bottom of my soul to my heart of hearts, Sleek Ink is the #1 company that has been so incredibly gracious and amazing to work with. They always answer all my questions. Their customer service is absolutely amazing. And I'm not just saying that because they're working with me. If you ask anybody else, their customer service is awesome. Really fast shipping. I just absolutely love them. And we were talking about, how can we kind of collaborate together, and how can I kind of give back to you guys in a way that would mean something. And I know a great deal of my audience that watches my YouTube videos also have quite a bit of tattoos, whether that be 1 tattoo, 5 tattoos, 80% coverage, 90% coverage, whatever. A great deal of my audience does in fact have tattoos. And I was like, okay, well, I can't have a meetup and have an event with Sleek Ink in person because of the virus going on. So I was like, hey, how would it sound if I got a picture of myself, and mind you, this picture is not on any of my social medias. No one has ever seen it before. It's not on my Instagram, nothing like that. So I was like, what if I had a picture of myself that I could personally sign and give to all of the buying customers that buy a bottle of Sleek Ink? And that's how this came to be. So I'm here to make that announcement that starting the week of October 12th, that is a Monday, throughout that whole entire week, if you order yourself a bottle of Sleek Ink Vivid Tattoo Oil, whether that be the 4-ounce bottle or the 2-ounce bottle, you will also be getting a signed picture of me. Every single picture looks the exact same, but again, like I said, it's not on any of my social medias. Only Sleek Ink customers who order are going to be getting this picture, and every single one is signed with love, with my signature. I signed every single picture, which was a lot of work, but it was totally worth it. And another thing I want to stress is that there is a very limited amount of pictures. I'm pretty sure there's only about 50 of them, all right? So there's not going to be a whole bunch of them. It's not going to be an unlimited supply of pictures of my face, you know what I'm saying? So throughout that whole week, starting October 12th, 2020, which is a Monday, if you guys guys go on and order a bottle of Sleek ink, you will also be getting a signed picture with your bottle. So I think that is super, super exciting. I will have a very special link down in the description box. You can also use my code BreeTat to get 20% off of your order. So not only will you be getting a discount to make your tattoos look bomb, but you're also gonna get a discount and a picture of me, which I think is super, super cool. So if that is something that you guys are interested in, I am super excited to be announcing it. I might put this video up before the 12th, but once October 12th hits, there will be a special link right at the top of this video description, and I will also post about it on all of my social medias, so Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all of those things, which if you are not following me on any of those are all down in the description box as well, so you guys can follow me. I will be putting out lots of reminders. The day of, I will be putting out reminders, and make sure you click on that special link because that link is going to notify the team that you want a bottle of Sleek ink and you also want a picture. This is something that I've never done before. It is something that I'm very, very excited about, and it's something like stuff like this is something I don't do often, and it's not because I don't want to give back to you guys. It's mostly because I've been like ripped off so much in the past that I've always just kind of always wanted to do things on my own. But I was like, if I were to ever do something super cool with a company, which company would it be? And right away Sleek Ink came to mind because they have been so incredibly gracious. They have been so incredibly amazing. I do want to stress that using my code BreeTat is an affiliate link, so I will be making some money off of your purchase. At the end of the day, it's kind of like a give-give situation. I give you guys a personal little gift, and you guys give me a own little personal boost gift that I can use to kind of put back into my YouTube channel. So I do really appreciate all the love and support that I always get on my YouTube videos. I love you guys so incredibly much, and I would really appreciate it if you would purchase a bottle of Sleek ink so you can get a signed picture of myself. If it goes really well and is something that we want to do again, that is something that we will probably for sure do. I thought it was a lot of fun, and I thought it was a really good idea to kind of give back to you guys. But yeah, that is my little special announcement. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments what you think of it. Let me know if you yourself are going to be getting a signed picture of me. If you enjoyed this video and you have tattoos on your body right now, go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. I love you guys so, so much, and until then, I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!